On anti-fragility and coddling the American mind, if I may read just a few lines from Chief Justice John Roberts, which
Oh,
I
yes, I
find
love
is
that passage.
really beautiful. So it's not just about viewpoint diversity, but it's real struggle, absurd, unfair struggle that seems to be formative to the human mind. He says, from time to time in the years to come, I hope you will be treated unfairly so that you will come to know the value of justice. I hope that you will suffer betrayal because that will teach you the importance of loyalty. Sorry to say, but I hope you will be lonely from time to time so that you don't take friends for granted. I wish you bad luck again from time to time so that you will be conscious of the role of chance in life and understand that your success is not completely deserved and that the failure of others is not completely deserved either. And when you lose, as you will from time to time, I hope every now and then your opponent will gloat over your failure. It is a way for you to understand the importance of sportsmanship. I hope you'll be ignored so you know the importance of listening to others. And I hope you will have just enough pain to learn compassion. Whether I wish these things or not, they're going to happen, and whether you benefit from them or not will depend upon your ability to see the message in your misfortunes. He read that in a middle school graduation.
Yes, for his son's middle school graduation. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say, only that's much more beautiful.
Yeah. And I think your work is really important, and it is beautiful, and it's bold and fearless. And it's a huge honor that you would sit with me. I'm a big fan. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today, John. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Lex. What a pleasure.